42 hours. That's the median B2B lead response time right now. Not for bad companies, not for broken teams. The median, which means the average company is taking almost 2 full days to reply to somebody who literally asked to buy. And every hour after the first 5 to 10 minutes reduces conversion probability. So while most operators are obsessing over ad creatives, funnels, landing pages, copywriting, they are ignoring the one variable that is quietly destroying the economics underneath the business. And that is speed. Because the market changed, buyers don't wait anymore. The second someone fills out your form, they are already comparing you against 3 other companies. And one of them replied before your STR even opened Slack. This is what most inbound system looks like. Lead comes in, notification sets, somebody sees it in 20 minutes. They think I will reply after this call. Another 30 minutes disappear. Then the SDR finally responds with, hey, sorry for the delay. Meanwhile, the buyer already booked with someone else and companies convinces themselves they lost because the lead was not qualified. No, you lost because your business operates at human speed against machine speed demand. That's the real problem. Most operators think they have a lead generation problem. What they actually have is a response time collapse. Let's run the numbers, not fantasy numbers, not guru ads, industry median. 85 inbound demos request a month, average contract value $14,000 with 42-hour median response time. The average business converts around 4.7%. That's roughly almost 4 clients a month, which is $56,000 in a monthly revenue. Now, here is where it gets violent. Same leads, same offer, same traffic, same sales team, but instead of replying it in 42 hours, you respond in under 5 to 10 minutes. Now, conversion rate jumps to 18%. That's almost 16 clients per month with a revenue of almost $200,000 a month. Same business, same demand, same market. The only difference is when the conversation started, that's around $100,000 per month or a cap over a $2 million a year. Lost because nobody replied fast enough. And this is the part most founders miss. They keep pouring money into acquisition before fixing the lead underneath acquisition. It's like pouring gas into a car with holes in the tank.